Peaches cut and remove skin. Sugar 1/4 cup. Brown sugar 1/4 cup. Cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Cook on low flame. Butter 5 tablespoons. Melt in microwave. Add peach slices. All-purpose flour 1 cup, salt half tsp, baking powder 1 teaspoon. Add buttermilk gradually. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Pour remaining sauce of peaches. Preheat oven on 350 degrees. Bake on 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Perfect biscuit layer. Serve with vanilla ice cream. Tasty and delicious peach cobbler, enjoy with ice cream.